on current trend in the 21st century, statistics have shown that over 80% of business transactions are done over the internet. And this speaks a lot about the web, social media, and e-commerce. My name is Ife Dolapo, and here with me are my colleague Ayomide, Chiamaka, Deborah, and Tomise. We'll be taking you through the topic, the web, social media, and e-commerce in business information technology of today. What's the web? The web is also known as World Wide Web, and is an information system enabling documents and other web resources to be accessed through the internet. The web is quite different from the internet, but are closely related. The internet itself is a global network providing a variety of information and communication facilities, consisting of interconnected networks using standard communication projects. However, e-commerce, on the other hand, can also be called electronic commerce. It's the buying and selling of goods and services, or making transactions or data through the internet as well. Social media is closely related to e-commerce and the internet in general. Social media's role in helping businesses is very significant. It facilitates communication with customers, enabling the modeling of social interactions on e-commerce sites. Its ability to collect information helps to focus on marketing efforts and market research. In the past, organizations could communicate solely through traditional methods such as email, face-to-face meetings, and written communications, limiting information flow to a small subset of individuals. With the advent of social media platforms, keeping our organizations and individuals across an enterprise in the communication loop has become the norm rather than an expedition. I'll hand it over now to my next colleague to carry us through what the web actually is.
In line with what my colleague have said, the web was developed at CERN at Switzerland. It is the fastest growing part of the internet, based on Hypertext Transfer Protocol, known as HTTP. The web consists of websites, web server, and browser. The uses of the web for businesses, publicity, marketing, and advertising. The web appears to be an ideal medium for businesses attempting and promoting themselves and their webs, setting up a site on the www. This, thus gaining instant access to millions of people all over the globe, can be achieved at a small fraction of the cost using more conventional methods. Direct online selling. It is already possible to visit virtual malls full of virtual shops, browse through their catalogs, examine various products in vast details, all courtesy of the web. This has all been made possible by the multimedia capability that the web provides. Research and development. The internet can be used as an additional resource for collecting information and communication. The use of low-cost electronic mail is the internet services used not expensively by businesses.
Social media, according to Oxford Dictionary, are websites and applications used to create and share content, and also for social networking. Social networking services are online applications used by people and businesses to build social network and also to build relationships with people that have similar career content, interests, and activities. Social media helps to relate to customers and also to know what people say about the brand. It can also help in advertising, promotion, and mobile application. Advertising is a marketing tactic which involves paying for a space for promotion of a product, a service, or a cause, which can effectively be done through social media. What are the benefits of social media in the 21st century to businesses? It also creates brand awareness, which is basically informing the public about the availability of a product in the market. It also helps to relate more with customers. It helps in brand promotion. It helps because the business to be cost effective, which is basically having high returns on low investment. These are the benefits of social media to today's business.
E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services on the internet. Trust is a critical element in e-commerce. The influence of social media on e-commerce has become more and more important. According to OTX Social Media and the Purchase Intention Research Report in 2008, 70% of consumers visit social media websites such as message boards, social networking sites, and blogs to get information on a company or brand. Furthermore, nearly half of the consumers made a purchase decision based on the information gathered. The positive impact of social media on e-commerce include the following. 1, it boosts brand awareness. This drives customers' loyalty. 2, it enables the organization interact more with consumers, thereby catering to their needs. 3, it helps the organization address the needs of consumers, giving the business a competitive edge over other businesses in the industry. It helps the company gauge customers' level of interest in their products and offerings.
In all, why should businesses invest in IT? Companies like Jumia has been able to leverage on the web, e-commerce, and social media to foster their business activities. And how has this helped them? That's helped them communication-wise. They are able to communicate well to their suppliers and also to their customers to effectively deliver their goods and also pass information across. They've also been open to a wider range of markets. They have more competitive advantage. Jumia as a business has been able to get customers from far and wide, every state, every local government in Nigeria, and also across Africa as a continent. As a continent. This has helped them to improve their profitability and also competitive advantage. They are able to operate at a larger scale. Lastly, improved decision making. Jumia, having information of all their customers and good database, are able to draw analysis of all their customers and be able to make decisions based on their customer preference and frequency of buying things. Thank you.